Hi. What's your name?
I'm Toby.
I'm Carlo. Nice meeting you.
She will tell you to. Promise. Same answer lang. Same answer lang.
Dude, do you think this guy is autistic?
Yeah, he's a mongoloid.
You think is he even fit in our class? How did he even get to this university?
Yeah, he looks retarded. And he acts like it.
Shouldn't there be a special school for special children?
Yeah, I think maybe we should go there. Carlos.
Yeah.
Who's your seatmate?
His name is Toby.
Really fits his personality.
I know, right?
Hey Toby,
Hindi natin gagawin yan sa first day.
What is wrong with him?
Good morning, class. Put away all electronics now. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Hi. I'm Carlo.
I'm Rito.
I'm Nico.
Can you please speak up? Hi, I'm Toby.
What's wrong with this kid?
I don't know.
Why is he speaking so loud?
Are you okay, Toby?
A freak.
What did you say?
Yes!
Freak. Like a mongoloid.
What the hell?
Okay, guys. You're dismissed. Thanks for a good day. You can go have your break now.
Thank you, sir. Hey guys,
Somewhere.
I think I have food here.
Is Toby not gonna eat?
Wow.
Is Toby not gonna eat? He looks like he's incapable of eating. Loser.
Toby. Toby. Why aren't you going to eat with your friends? I think you should go eat with your friends.
Hey, let's invite Toby to our conversation. Hey Toby, come here. So, are you okay?
I'm fine.
What?
I'm fine.
What?
I'm fine!
Okay. So, what do you want to eat today?
I want hot dog.
What?
I want hot dog.
What?
I want hot dog.
What?
I want hot dog. I want hot dog.
Okay. You want hot dog? Let's go have some hot dog. You want my hot dog? Okay, let's go.